Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Colorado LS. This four-door truck has a 5-cylinder, 3.7-liter i5 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, and child seat anchors.